Hello once again. Today we are going to cover the last part of learning outcome 5.25, which covers constructions of triangles. In fact, this is the last lesson on this outcome. Okay? In today's lesson, we are going to construct a triangle when we are given two sides and what we call the included angle, which is on page 6. Okay? Now, what is an included angle? The included angle is the angle between two given sides. So if I have two sides, like so, this angle between those two sides is called the included angle. Okay? So we are going to be given this side, and the angle in between. Let's take an example. Construct a triangle PQR with PQ is equal to 8.5 centimeters, PR is equal to 6 centimeters, and angle QPR is equal to 45 degrees. As we did previously, we need to do a rough sketch. And before starting our rough sketch, we need to decide on which side we're going to put as the base. Okay? Now, since PQ is the longest side, we put PQ as the base. So we draw this triangle over here, which is the rough sketch. So PQ is the base. So I write PQ here. Okay? So the other point, the other vertex is R. So I always start from the base. Now, PQ is equal to 8.5 centimeters. PR is equal to 6 centimeters. And angle QPR is equal to 45. So you can see that we are given these two sides and the angle between them. Okay, the included angle. So as we did before, we are going to start from the base and we are going to draw a line which is longer than 8.5 centimeters and then draw this small line over here. That point is called P. We need the compass and the ruler to draw line PQ. PQ is 8.5 centimeters. So we're going to have a radius of 8.5 centimeters on our compass. So 8.5, which is there, 8.5. It's important to go on point P, not start from here. Okay, our triangle starts from P, which is here. And draw a small arc. That arc is Q, which is this point, this vertex, Q. Now, we need to draw we need to draw this angle, which is 45 degrees. And since we have the rough sketch, we know that the 45 degrees is at P and not at Q. Okay? So, with the protractor, we align it with our line over here. We have an angle of 45. Again, pay attention to the scale that we're going to use. I always tell you that since we are we're starting the angle from the left, here it is 0. Okay? 0 degrees. We want to find the 0 degrees. So here it's the 0 degrees, the inner scale, on the inner scale, so we're going to use the inner scale, which is 45 degrees, which is over there. We draw a small line and draw a line from P to the line that we have marked of the angle. Again, don't stop there, because sometimes we need more of that line. Okay? Now, We know that PR is equal to 6 centimeters, so that's our next step. We will use again the compass, 6 centimeters this time, okay, 6 centimeters, and from P we draw an arc. That arc, where the arc and the line intersect, it is called R. So that is point R over there. So the next thing to do is that we need to join RQ. So it's important from the intersection to the other intersection, and we draw a line. Okay, so now you can try out the question set on the notes from page 6 to page 9. Okay, that is page 6, 7, 8, and 9. Some of these questions are divided into steps, as you can see here, for example. Okay, and you need to follow each step to construct the required triangle. Okay, so follow these steps. This brings us to the end of learning outcome 5.25. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.